Hello students, today we are going to start another topic, that is liquid pressure. So we know that a solid exerts pressure on a surface due to its own weight. Okay, and in the same way liquid can also exert pressure on the container in which they are kept. But we know that a solid exerts pressure only on the surface at its bottom, but the liquid exerts pressure not only on the surface but in all the direction. It means from here we can conclude that a liquid exerts pressure in all the directions. So this pressure exerted by the liquid in all the direction, whether it is the surface of the liquid or the side walls of that container, so that is known as liquid pressure. Now there are some factors affecting the liquid pressure. First one is the height of the liquid column, and second one is the density of the liquid. So liquid pressure increases when the height of the liquid column increases, and with the increase in the density of the liquid pressure will also increase. Now let's talk about the consequences of liquid pressure. Consequences means its effects or its result, or you can say importance also. So this is the most common example. Thickness of walls of a dam is increased towards the bottom. You all have seen the dam here, that is the Tehri Dam. If you notice that at the bottom of the dam the thickness is increased. So what is the reason behind that? The reason is that the pressure at a point due to a liquid increases with the increase in height of the liquid column. Now we know that as the height of the liquid column increases, the pressure exerted by the liquid, that is also increases. So thickness of the walls of a dam is increased towards the bottom so as to withstand the increasing pressure of water. Now as the height of the column will increase, the water will exert more pressure when it comes down. So to withstand that pressure, to hold that pressure exerted by the water, the bottom is made thick. Okay, now look at this figure. This is the diagram of a dam. This is the wall of a dam, and here is water, and this is the width of the dam increasing downward. As we are moving down, this width is increasing. Okay, now we know that the water will exert pressure. Okay, so pressure increasing downwards. As the water will come up with more pressure, it's become very difficult. So to hold that pressure, the thickness of the dam is increased at the bottom.